2024 GMC Canyon. With less than 21,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.